everyone, join us today in exploring the Hatem View, Hal, Saudi Arabia. We've been here for 3 years, but we thought you need to take permission to come up to the Hatem mountain. So today we're going to also share, to those who don't know, how to actually come up and visit this.
This is the entrance of the Samra Park, a part of the Hatem View.
Now we're going to go up the Hatem mountain, but before you do, you have to pay at this counter 25 riyal per vehicle to park your car at the visitors parking. This is the counter where you pay the 25 riyals. Now since we're done here, we can go up to the visitors parking. After that, if you want to go to the Hatem View, you can go by the Hatem van or car up and down for free. But if you want to go by your own car, you have to pay 100 riyals.
Now we're here at the visitors parking lot. This is the Hatem View after you come up from the visitors parking lot.
Now we're here at the Mountain Cafe. From here you can go up to the Crops Italian restaurant. We can also drink coffee outside the cafe shop by the fountain where you can see the entire city of Hatem. Since October is the awareness of breast cancer month, they're making a photo shoot with these pink balloons. Now we're going to go to Crops Italy, the restaurant above, and eat something there. We are now here at Crops Italy. Right now, we're waiting for a table to open up outside since the view is better there. We finally got a table and they served us these first free drinks, which is pomegranate juice, as we wait for our order. As you can see, it's quite expensive here, at least it's worth the experience. What you see here is a roller coaster, and I think it's still under construction, but when it's done, it's gonna be amazing with the view and the hype. And by the way, this is the elevator from the Mountain Cafe up to the Italian restaurant. Hope you enjoyed this with us, and here are the photos and bloopers through it all.
baddest DJ.